Okay, so we're going to be starting this session right away. I'm going to share my screen. And we're going to start off with the PowerPoint. Now, the agenda is pretty simple. We're going to be direct. I am going to be speaking about precision trading right from the get-go. This is the London Open, and London just opened for trading, which means fresh market volatility. Now, so the agenda is this. We're going to go over, or I'm going to go over, precision trading and how you can do it too. Precision trading is really, really good, and I'm doing it for those challenge accounts. It's literally the quickest, and well, it increases the quickest way to make profit, and probably one of the easiest ways. The only problem here is you need to invest a lot of time. That's what I'm doing today. I'm investing about 12 hours on the charts non-stop, and I'm going to be looking for reasons to buy, sell, enter, exit trades as price action moves, so I can increase the odds of me, well, making money. Once we're done with that, we're going to go over the important for the day, and then we're going to go over our watch list and active trades. But I'm going to give you a hint here. There is no watch list. We just have free open trades. We are going to look for a watch list in the US Open. Let's get going. So, you know me. I'm not going to introduce myself. Now, precision trading. Now, this message was sent out to our community at Discord, and it literally explains exactly what's up and what's going on. Now, literally the best setup we can trade from our system falls down to the following. It is a major contraction of price on the 4-hour, a secondary smaller contraction within that contraction, either on the 1-hour or on the 4-hour, and finally, price leading to a DC level backed by an RSI figure of plus 70 or minus 20. We forgot to write that down. Now, we literally have that on NZDUSD, so let's go over that together so I can show you exactly what we're talking about. There's NZDUSD, and we have this major contraction on the 4-hour. The blue has been drawn on the 4-hour. The red that you see here is drawn on the 1-hour, and you can see that price action is probably going for a test of the upside. Now, when it comes up here in this range here, I'm going to draw this for you, anywhere between there and there, we're going to look to add on to our sell. Now, I'm already selling this. Keep in mind, I've already entered this based on the price action that's going on here. But we've got a key DC level. We've got RSI close to 70 on the 1-hour. Well, it was pretty much popping into it. On the 4-hour, we are above, indicating there is going to be some selling pressure, but we might just have to wait a little bit. So we'll see how that works out. The idea is pretty simple. Price action's there. Everything is there for us to make this trade work out. So if we can't break this, but we can break this, I'm going to add on 2. So that's the general idea of what we're going to be doing. So just hold on for a second. Okay, so I'm back. Now, let's go back to the PowerPoint so I can continue this. Now, precision trading, what is it? How does it work? Precision trading is basically us waiting for price action to give us great to amazing indications, and we enter and, well, ride the profit. So, but this is the hardest point, because generally when we release trade alerts, we're releasing them for everyone so they can be in it, in the actual trades. So it's a bit hard to, well, how can I explain this? It's a bit hard to just, be there the whole day and wait for something like this to occur. It just doesn't. And when it does, you're probably away from your station. It happened to me so many times. But I'm going to start investing pretty much the rest of the week, the rest of these 8 days that are left, including today, for this trading challenge, so I can, well, achieve the profits I want to achieve and I need to achieve, because I've got big goals. And in short, I need to succeed very, very quickly. So we're going to be getting a lot of these kind of trades released. Now, let's move on. This is not it. Market movers ahead. Now, Brexit drama. We've got a lot of Brexit drama today, and it is a very important day for the GBP and the FTSE. Now we're going to be scouting them together now. That's going to be our watch list actually. The other trades that we've got is EURHUF buy, EURJPY sell, and NZDUSD sell. And that should be working out well. Setting some pending orders. The other news that we have is at 11 GMT, the Hungarian National Bank will hold its rate policy. Now, I just released a really quick video which runs about 1.5 minutes, maybe less, and it explains exactly what we're doing. But you guys and girls are the lucky people who are going to watch me analyze EURHUF and USDHUF live. Now, the biggest news for the day is, of course, the UK Parliament vote. Now, that's going to be really important, so we really need to be on our feet and ready to make some pips. Our active trades, NZDUSD sell, EURJPY sell, EURHUF buy. Watch list, we're just going to go over the GBP. So there's EURHUF. We might find a bit of resistance here because there's still a lot of time left before the actual news comes out. So we're going to try and wait, but the stop loss is a bit wide. We are coming off pretty much near a key DC level. Now we're going to check that on the daily too, and you can see that here it is on the daily. There is a major level there, a major level there. We're going to see if there is something in the past too that reaches our level, and it doesn't. Nothing near. So what could happen is that we make a test of this level before the news. Could be. So 1 second. Could be. So what we're going to do is we might just hedge this, short it to the downside, give it a little short push, and wait for a possibility of price action finding a secondary or third and final bottom. Now, how long do we have? We don't have really much time for that. So let's check the 1 hour too and see how that's working out. We'll see. Got a bit of a fake out here. We'll see how that works. Anyway, let's move on to the other two setups here. NZDUSD. Now there's a contraction within contraction. EURJPY. Here's the contraction. Breakout. We're waiting now for price action to break this level. We're going to see if we can. And if it can, then that's going to be absolutely amazing. And I think it really could, to be honest with you. I really think it could break out of this. So we're going to put another sell stop there. And that's going to be enough. But let's move over to checking what's important for today. And that is GBP, USD, which we really expect to come tumbling down today because it is very high. It's out of this little range level here, but it can't break the EMA. So we're going to wait and see if we can achieve something there. All in all, we want to check as many GBP pairs as we can. You see, we've got this here on Euro GBP, a breakout and then a possible secondary, contraction, which can be seen better on the 1 hour, I think. Yeah, there it is. So let's go back to the 4 hour and see what's going on with GBP AUD. Now that's a possible continuation right here. See that? Of selling. That really looks really good. I just don't know if it's a bit too early to enter this because it might mess around. But that's a beautiful continuation of selling. And then we have this. So we have a contraction, we have a breakout of the contraction, and we have this continuation. So surely we're going to be looking to short this. Now, our target lines up beautifully almost with this level, and that's 161. So I think that we could see a big drop today. Oh, that's a 380 pip drop. It's going to be gorgeous, but there could be volatility. So what we're going to do is we're going to be smart here. We're going to wait a little bit and get into a better entry zone with a bit of a precision move. I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do that. So what we're going to do is map out the key levels here. We don't want our chart to be too dirty, but I'm really expecting a big move here. So we've got this here, 23.6 is here, 30% is right there. And we want either to be shorting from the upside here somewhere, Let's do it like this, actually. I'll show you exactly what we'll do. So we'll take this top. It's snapping to prices. I don't know why. So what we could do is draw something like this. And we can see what could be actually happening here. Right. So what we're looking for here, because we have the major contraction, we have a breakout, and we've got a continuation. What we're going to be doing is either, see, the problem is it's very tentative. Nobody knows exactly what time this is going to come out. So that's a big problem for us. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to wait for the 48 minutes to wrap up, and then I'm going to make my decision of what I'm going to do. Now, with precision trading, it's all about wait and see. It's all about wait and see. So I'm going to re-edit this here because I'm going to be focused on the 4-hour chart. And we're going to wait a little bit, and any sign of price action coming up to these wicks over here, we're going to push in. And this looks like a perfect setup. Now, NZDUSD also looks good, and EURJPY also looks really good. So let's check EURHUF as well. EURHUF's coming up, which is good. We're going to see how that works out. But I think if the move is on the upside, I doubt that it's going to basically fly up from now. I think it's going to take a little bit of time before it does so. So I think it's going to really push later on in the day. For now, I think it should stagnate, come right back down, and maybe test the bottom levels. Any test of the bottom level means me getting in and going harder into it. So all in all, let me just draw up my watch list here for the London session. So watch list. And my watch list is clearly AUD, GBP. No, GBP, AUD sell. So what this means is I'm basically going to continue to monitor this pair, monitor it constantly, and continue to check what could be happening so I can make sure that I'm on the right side of this market. Now, EURJPY seems to be breaking up, which is great for me, and this one seems to be breaking out too, which is as well great for me and for everybody in my community who actually took the trades on these pairs. So what we're going to do now is we're going to wait a little bit and see what could be happening. Any updates here, I will release to my community if I enter this, but this is looking like a really good setup because we have the breakout of the contraction, which, by the way, I remember it leading to a key level, if I'm not mistaken. No, it doesn't. But there is a key level right here, a really important one, as you guys can see. Why is it snapping to prices? I don't understand. What did I do wrong here? Keep snapping to prices. Okay, there it is. And basically that's where we're at right now. See that? And I believe that we need to wait because there is a lot of mess here. Look at this, down, up, lots of shadows, lots of indecision, a really tough market to trade. I mean, we're late for the party. We could have bought each time it just pinged down here and then sold each time it pinged there. But today is the day basically for this asset until the 31st of October. So we're going to wait. And I might even go down to the 1 hour and use the blue levels from the 4 hour to make my trade decision making. So yeah, that's it. I don't have much more to go over. It's been a good session. And we're on the right side of the market on at least 2, even 3 trades with EURHUF flying high so far. So we're okay. And yeah, and we'll update everyone later on. I think that's it. Thank you for attending, and I'll see you guys and girls later. Bye now.